Hello everyone, welcome to day 24 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today in this challenge we are going to deal about something called as freeze panes. This is very important option if you wanted to explore Microsoft Excel. Suppose I am just selecting this row and I just go to the option called as view, and here in view I just select this freeze panes and I just select this option as freeze panes. Then what happens is, if you scroll down, then this column or this row does not affect. You can scroll down and watch the data as per your wish, but as you can see, the all the rows up to the 8th row got freezed. Now you can easily view the data, you can compare it, like that you can do. Suppose if you don't want to freeze it, once again click the row, go to view, go to the freeze panes, and then select this option called as unfreeze panes. This is such a brilliant option. You can use it when you are comparing two different tables. If there are two tables one by other, you can do that. So thank you guys, have a great day.